CLOS, Clinical Laboratory Operating System. Clinical laboratories generate millions of data points every day, yet most systems remain reactive. CLOS transforms laboratory operations into an AI powered intelligent command center that continuously monitors quality, patient safety, validation, governance, and operational performance. So, what is the problem that we face nowadays in laboratory operations? The problems are QC failure detected late, pre analytical errors, analyzer downtime, specimen quality issues, delayed critical values, AI governance challenges. Current systems solve isolated problems. CLOS integrates them into one intelligent platform. Looking at this dashboard, please look at patient safety intelligence. It is talking about sepsis, AKI, that is acute kidney injury, DKA, that is diabetic ketoacidosis, delta checks, and ICU escalations. That means what? It is able to tell before the patient is landing up into these problematic, life threatening conditions. It is able to detect it early and send warnings so that interventions can be done and we get a lead time, and which is very crucial to save the patient's life. Moving on to quality intelligence. Nowadays, we see in the laboratories only Westguard and Sigma is used. But in this CLOS, we have EWMA, QSUM, QC prediction, and on top of that, drift detection. Moving on, a very important problem we face in the laboratory, in the clinical diagnostic laboratory, is the problem of hemolysis, lipemia, and icterus, which forms a part of pre-analytical errors. So, 70% of the errors in the laboratory are pre-analytical, which includes a major area includes specimen intelligence, which includes hemolytic samples, lipemic samples, icteric samples. We have included all of this in specimen intelligence. It will detect it automatically. And we also have barcode scanning, transport delay into this. Moving on, please look at analyzer intelligence. We have fleet monitoring. It can be of any company, but still we are able to analyze the performance. There is a concept of digital twin that also helps us with fleet monitoring, predictive maintenance, downtime prediction. Operation intelligence talks about TAT, that is turnaround time, workload balance, and stat prioritization. Moving on to AI governance, it talks about explainable AI, human oversight, which is very, very important, and also audit trail and model drift monitoring. If we find significant drift, we can do the retraining. Please look at explainable AI. It talks about risk score, confidence score, and contributing factors. Every prediction is accompanied by transparent explanations to support laboratory professionals. Moving on to a very, very crucial factor, that is validation. So we simulated a data set of 1,000 patients for training, testing of different data sets, sensitivity. Please look at the specificity data that we found. The explanation here is the current prototype was evaluated using a simulated data set to demonstrate the complete workflow and validation framework. C. The basic thing that we focused on to develop this CLOS is patient, sample, transport. First comes the patient in our workflow. Then we take out the sample. Then the sample is transported, where we take care of the transport logistics. Quality indicators in that, following the analyzer. Then the LIS, that is the Laboratory Intelligence System. Then CLOS, verification. And finally the clinician. And in that verification, we do have human in the loop. So AI is not replacing the human or the pathologist or the clinical biochemist. Clause is designed to support, not replace, laboratory professionals through explainable, human in the loop AI by integrating patient safety, quality intelligence, operational monitoring, validation, and governance into one platform. Clause represents a vision for the next generation of intelligent clinical laboratories. Thank you.